Well, when I'm asked what should I do if the other party's insurance company denies liability, they say to someone, hey, our insured was not at fault in causing this accident. Someone else was at fault, or they try to blame you for the accident. What I say first and foremost is that we need to investigate to find the basis on which they are denying liability. An insurance company under Florida law has a duty of good faith and fair dealing toward their own insured. And so they're not allowed to deny liability under Florida law unless they have a good reason or a valid basis to deny liability. Because if they deny liability without a good reason and their own insured gets sued by someone who was injured in the accident and proves that their insured was at fault, that insurance company now can be held liable not only for the policy limits that they insured their insured for, but they can even be liable for more than those policy limits under what we call bad faith insurance practices. So if liability is denied by the other side, and you believe that it's denied without a basis, or it's being denied wrongfully because the facts do not support such a denial of the liability, come talk to us here at Perenich the Law Firm. We will look at the evidence, we will look at the accident report, we will investigate, we will talk to the eyewitnesses if there are any, we'll look at the vehicle damages, and we will advise you as to whether or not that denial of liability will in fact be a reasonable decision that that insurance company, or an unreasonable decision. And if it's an unreasonable decision and the facts do prove otherwise, meaning that they prove that their insured was in fact at fault and failed to use reasonable care under the circumstances in driving the vehicle, we will pursue that insurance company and that person in a court of law to prove the truth of what happened to the jury, to ensure that our client receives the full measure of compensation and damages they're entitled to under Florida law. So please call us at Perenich the Law Firm if you believe liability is being wrongfully denied by someone who caused your injuries.